Oh, yeah.
I just wanted to put you in the wheelhouse of the Pacific Voyager and Captain Max Nui as they are headed right now down the Baja coast. And you can see there's a little bit of rock and roll going on here this evening. Max is heading down to the Colonette area, and he's going to fish rockfish tomorrow. There's been tremendous lingcod fishing down that way, and we are certainly hoping that Max, his passengers, and the Pacific Voyager have an incredible day. But there's no doubt about it. It is rock and roll tonight as they head down the Baja coast. We'll keep you informed of the very latest, and of course, we'll be checking in with Max and the Pacific Voyager tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.